government of Zimbabwe to welcome a delegation of artists who have come into the country from Nigeria. They have been working with Mai Titi in a movie called Lost in Ashes, and today they are here in Zimbabwe preparing for a premiere which will be done tomorrow at Westgate.
Right, mangwana ndipo pakamirirwa nevakawanda vanotevera nyaya dzemadhirama uye vanotevera Mai Titi sezvo vamwe vavo vakaekta navo pamutambo unonzi iwo Lost in Ashes uyo uchapremier mangwana kuWestgate. Vasvika uye vakatambirwa nemadelegates kubva kuhurumende yenyika yeZimbabwe pamwe chete naMai Titi avo vaperekedzwa nemutevedzeri wegurukota rinoona nezvemitambo netsika munyika. Mutambo weLost in Ashes wakafeature Mai Titi avo vanozivikanwa nezita rekuti Felicitas Murata ndivo main actor pafirimu iroriri, kuchizoti mumwevo ane mukurumbira wekunyika yeNigeria Mike Ezrunye pamwe chete naMike Goodson anovavo zvekare ane mukurumbira Chinyere Wilfred anova mudzimbai ane mukurumbirawo zvekare iko kuNigeria, kuchiti Like Odife anovavo zvekare akafeature pamutambo iwoyoyo uyo wakamirirwa nevanhu vakawanda vemuZimbabwe sezvo kare kekutanga Mai Titi vachifisha pamutambo wemadhirama nemaprominent Nollywood actors.
Opportunity really to welcome on behalf of the government of Zimbabwe to welcome a delegation of artists who have come into the country from Nigeria. They have been working with Mai Titi in a movie called Lost in Ashes, and today they are here in Zimbabwe preparing for a premiere which will be done tomorrow at Westgate. We are here as a government really excited of this development, and as a ministry we are happy to witness the fruits of the film strategy which we launched in 2024 last year. The international collaboration that Mai Titi has spearheaded to do with the Nigerian artists not only enriches the cultural landscape of Zimbabwe, but it also opens avenues and doors for more partnerships, more collaboration by our artists in Zimbabwe as well as artists in Nigeria and any other country. So we are happy to welcome them. We say feel at home. This is a home away from home. Africa, we believe that we are one, and it's time to make the film industry boom with good progress and positivity. So I want to thank you all for coming to welcome our guests. And also for supporting by buying tickets for the premiere which is going to be held tomorrow. This is what we do as Zimbabwe. We support one another when we do something which is great. So thank you very much, Mai Titi, for lifting the flag of Zimbabwe high. They know you in Nigeria, and we are so happy because I've also been seeing that the social media was on fire and people commenting and so happy. So please, our guests, feel free because you're going to be taking a lot of selfies with our Zimbabwean brothers and sisters. Thank you so much.